Hi all, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to cover the number of permutations of n objects where there will be a few identical objects within the n objects. Permutation where some objects are repeated. So for this case, the number of permutations will be n factorial divided by r1 factorial multiplied by r2 factorial until r of k factorial. So here n represent the total number of objects and r represent the number of identical objects. So let's say we have the word I. So we want to arrange this word. So here in total we have 1, 2, 3. So n equals to 3. But since we have identical letter here, which is E, so I'm going to write E, we have 2 repeated objects. Okay, so the way of arrange a different word from I will be 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So if we look here, 3 factorial, so the number 3 represents the total objects of I here, and divided by 2 factorial, meaning we have 2e, so that's why we need to divide it by 2 factorial. Example 10. How many different permutations can be made using the letters of the words books and mathematics? So for books, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equals to 5, and we have letters O, 2. So the number of arrangement will be 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial, and the results will be 60. For mathematics, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we have n equals to 11. But here we have quite a few letters that are identical. So first is the letter M. Okay, so we have 2M. And then A we have 2 as well. And we have also 2T. Okay, for H, E, I, C, and S, there are all 1. Now, the number of ways or the number of permutation will be 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. And we are going to get 4989600. Okay. One more thing. If you want to write this expression in calculator, so to write 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial times 2 factorial, so the multiplication operation here need to be pressed as well. So if you just write 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, it will be math error. Final example for this video. How many different 10-letter codes can be made using 3 A's, 4 B's, and 3 C's? So I believe you have already know what your working steps will be. So 10-letter code, that means n equals to 10. And we have A's 3, B 4, and 3C. So it will be 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, that is multiplied by 4 factorial times by 3 factorial. And the answer that we get will be 4,200. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and bye-bye.